Alright, welcome people. Today we are looking at polynomial. Let's look at these polynomial functions. Polynomial function. Okay, so we have this equation equating to something. 14x squared plus 9x minus 20 divided by ax minus 1 equals to 7x plus 8 plus or minus that. You have that. So in the equation above, we are told that a is a constant and ax minus 1 is mean. It's not equal to 0. So what's the value of what of a? Of course, if you're seeing this question for the first time, you're definitely going to wobble. But it's very simple. It's very simple. What you are going to do is to equate both sides by comparison. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do here right now is to look for the LCM of what the right hand side. You agree with me that the right hand side is going to be what? 7x plus 8. That's 7x plus 8. Or I'll put this in what? In the parentheses. Then times again, that will be what? 8x, okay, minus 1, close that, okay, minus 12. Do you understand? All over what? ax minus 1. You understand? Now this will be equals to what we have on the left hand side. What we have on the left hand side is 14x squared. So that's 14x squared plus what? Plus 9x. What we have right there is 14 what? X squared minus, yes, plus 9x minus 20 all over what we have? ax all over what? ax minus 1. Do you understand? So this cancel this. Are we there? So let's open up the left hand. Let's check this. So 7x times ax, that will give us what? 7ax squared. Is it? 7ax squared. And this times this, 7x times 1 will give you what? Minus, is it not? Minus 7x. Are we there? Minus 7x. Then 8 times, that will also give us what? 8. That will give us what? 8ax. Is it? That will give us 8ax. And 8 times minus 1 is what? Minus 8. 8 times, that will give us what? Minus 8. Okay, so minus 8, then minus 1. Are we there? That's what we have. So the next thing for us to do, tidy this a little, we can say, remember this is equals to, now let me tidy this before we really start comparing. So this is what? 8ax squared. Okay, so you group all the x together, you have that. Now this will be, so let's say plus, okay, open this bracket. This is 8a minus 7, okay, minus 7, close up the bracket, x. Do you understand that? Then minus 8 minus 8, 12. That should give us what? Minus 20. Okay, so this will give us what? Minus 20. Are you there? Then we are going to equate this now to what we have on the right hand side, which is what? 14 what? X squared, is it? So that's what? 14 14x squared plus 14x squared. Then we have plus what? Plus 9x. Are we there? Plus 9x. Alright, minus 20, is it? Minus 20. Okay, no. Yeah, that's minus 20, is it? Yeah, so that's minus 20. So minus 20. So what do we do from here? We compare. You will compare your x squared to s squared on this side. So that is what? 7a. Okay, so that's 7ax squared. 7ax squared, which will be equals to what? 14x squared, the standard. So that will be 14x squared. You see that by this comparison, yes, you must equate powers to power. So according to, so here x squared will cancel this s squared. So you can see that 7a is equals to 14. It means that your a is equals to what? 14 divided by what? 7. Are we there? So that's going to be what? 14. Okay, divided by dividing this by what? By 7. So that means the value of a is equals to what? Equals to 2. Are we there? So a is equals to 2. If you don't want to use this, you can also use the x. If I use this particular one here, I will say that let's see. So let's see that. So we have that 8a. So 8a minus 7. Minus 7. Remember that all these are what? In bracket. All these are what? In bracket. Then x is equals to what? 9x. Is equals to 9x. Is equals to what? 9x. So you see that x will cancel x. Do you understand that? X will cancel what? This x. And from here you see that 8a minus 7 is equals to 9. And of course you agree with me that what you will have is this is okay, so what you will have right there is 8a. Okay, so that means your 8a is, if you take the 7 to this other side, 8a is equals to what? 16. And if 8a is equals to 16, what does that mean? It means that your a is also equals to what? 2. Okay, so your a is equals to what? 2. Okay, yeah, actually writing the map is a little bit, this stuff. Okay, so that's it. So if you are either using the first, so it's just by comparison, a is equals to 2, or you use this one, a is also, whatever you use, it will give you what? Same answer. So the value of a in this place is what? Is 2. And there is something I want to mention here. There's what we call the student response question in SAT. Student response questions do not have the same score. In fact, they have the highest score where you have to put in the exact value. You don't have option. As you see in this particular question, you see that there was no option. So these are referred to as student response questions. Questions like this have high mark. Do you understand? But you can see that the solving this polynomial is not an issue. All you need to do is just what? Look for the LCM, make sure that both sides are equal, and you cancel out the denominator, then you expand, then you collect like terms. You saw what I did right there. 7ax squared I compared to the side that have s squared, and the side that have x I compared to the side that also have s, and then I solve for what? For the unknown. Are we there? Please, if this is not clear, you want clarity on this, please leave it at the comment section. If you have not hit the subscribe button, you are missing out seriously. Except you do not want that perfect score. You don't want your friend, your son, your daughter to have that perfect score in SAT. But if that is your choice, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. Thank you. See you in my next video.